Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how we can simply update our Chase app. So without any further ado, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is open your Play Store. Now you simply need to type in Chase mobile banking app on your searching tab. So now once you type in, you can just open up the Chase mobile banking app and click on what's new. So here you can see that no updates are needed. However, the next method to check for the updates are to click on the profile icon on the right hand side of the screen. You need to click on manage apps and devices and choose the updates. So now as you click updates available, you can scroll down and see if your Chase mobile banking needs any updates. If the update is available, you just need to click on it and you are all done. If nothing is shown, then be assured that your Chase mobile bank is up to date. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with next video. Thank you for watching.